Is that the pink one that she had at
You ruined my video.
Sorry. Is that the pink one that she had when you were, like, the screen was broken?
Yeah, but she got it all fixed and everything.
Was it a cover on it?
Yeah, the pink thing was a cover. Okay. Anyways.
Sorry.
What's your name?
What's your name? Isma? Oh, sorry.
Isma? And what's my name?
Ashley.
I'm not asking you. Lynette. I'm asking, how old are you, Isma?
4, 5.
I'm asking a 5-year-old, not a 19-year-old.
Sorry.
Almost 20. Ooh, you're an olden. You're an olden.
2 decades already. Yay, me.
Yay, you. Anyways, how old am I, Isma?
14.
I'm 14.
14. Knew it.
When's my birthday?
July.
July what? What number?
9.
9.
No, 12.
So close.
What's this, Isma?
Titties.
What's the other name for titties?
Boobies.
What's the other name?
Videos.
Isma, what are you? Are you my brother? Are you my uncle? Are you my cousin? You're my cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you turn it up?
I'll watch. Let's say bye YouTube because this is going on YouTube. Say bye YouTube.
Bye YouTube.
I look tired, right?
Yeah.
I look like I need a nap. I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yeah.
No. Get ready to party.
We are?
No, I'm kidding. Give me a kissy, please. No, give me another kissy right here. Thank you. Bye YouTube.
Bye YouTube.